If you want to see how I create this look, keep watching this video all the way to the end and you will see how I created this look. But for now, let's say how I am before I start this. I'm going to say that I am before I start this eye look. So now it's complete, but if you want to see it, you have to keep watching. Today's I am is, today I will find joy where I am. Today I will find joy where I am. Today you will find joy where you are. Keep watching and subscribe. Thank you. Hello everyone. Hello. Oh, this is good. This is good. I hope you're having a great, fantastic day. Today's video is the collab with the group Beauty Over 40. We're doing a Valentine's look and we can get creative and do anything we want. So I'm going to create with the Uma Black Magic Savage palette. And I am going to use the red tone colors in there. My eyes are already primed. I am happy to have you here. If this is your first time here, my name is V. Good vibes, inspirational words, positive affirmations over on this side. You are welcome here. Have no fear. You are loved on my platform. Thank you for stopping by. Now, let's see what I'm going to create. I will make a smoky eye look. That's what I'll do. I'll do something smoky. I'll start in the crease. I never know where I'm going with this. Oh, okay. So I'll start in the crease. Over here, I try to make sure my videos are light. When I say light, I mean have lots of fun. Because life is hard as it is already. So I don't want to make it too heavy on this side. I like talking the truth, but I will not make it too heavy for you. Always remember you are first. Love yourself plenty. Take care of yourself. Never give up on you. If you are sick and suffering with mental illness, always seek help. Help is always available. You just have to reach out there and keep asking until you get it. But do not harm yourself. If you have an addiction, mental illness, any other ailment, remember you are not alone in this world. We all have something we are going through behind closed doors. So don't think you're alone. Just reach out and grab someone's hand and say, I need help. Help me, please. I'm just deepening the color in my crease. I like Valentines. I love Valentines. Not because of the presents, but the presents, for those who can afford it, fine. But Valentine's Day is so taboo for different people for different reasons. But I celebrate it for a lot of things. First off, I'm alive on that day. Second, there are lots of new life that will be conceived on this day. And there are many life that was already conceived on this day. And it's their birthday. And, it is just something we celebrate. I am back to talking. I couldn't talk at the time. I had to do something on the phone. But I'm applying a third color. I think I pick up too much because it's falling everywhere. And I am just putting it right here. Already darkened the outer corner. But whether you celebrate Valentine's or not, that is okay. Everybody makes a choice of what they want to do. But don't let society prevent you from celebrating something that you love. Make it yours. Wake up in the morning, get dressed, get dolled up, pretty up, celebrate Valentine's Day if you do, and have fun with it. Have a glass of wine if you drink, have a nice cup of coffee with a muffin. Do something. You don't have to wait for somebody to send you flowers or, anything. Gift yourself something. Buy something that you wanted to buy for a long time. If you can afford it, go ahead and purchase it. But don't wait for somebody to do it. Valentine's doesn't mean that you have to have a lover, a partner, a husband, a wife. That's not the meaning of it. Society gave it that meaning, saying if you don't have a loved one, you should not celebrate Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is for the living. Enjoy it, do something that makes you happy, and don't worry about what society thinks. Society should not dictate your life. Life is short and you have to live it. I'm just fixing all these colors. You see how dark all of these turn out? These are supposed to be dark plums or plums, whatever it's supposed to be, or a raspberry color or something. And then it turns out to be a little darker. And I didn't put much black. I have noise in my house. I'm using all the plums. So this is 3 colors so far I have on. I am going to use a glitter glue. And I will put a little bit of glitter glue on. What do I want to do? I don't know yet what I want to do. I'm just going to put it right here. Wherever I put it, that's where stuff will go okay. Because at this point in the game, I don't know. I never know. But celebrate life. Celebrate Valentine's Day if you love it. If you don't like it, then you don't have to celebrate it. But I mean, you know what? Life is just too short for me to stop doing the things I like. I don't want you to stop doing the things you like. If you like Valentine's Day and you want to celebrate it, more power to you. Do it. Do it. Do it. Okay, I don't know about this glitter glue. I think I just put it everywhere. Let's see if I can do this. There's a nice shimmer. This is a shimmer, but there's another shimmer in there that just looks so pretty. My finger might do a better job with this thing here. Okay. Oh, Lord, this is so nice. I don't know if you can still find these Uma palettes online somewhere, but if you do, and if you can, get it. because they are beautiful. They are beautiful palettes. I have one, but I've seen others in action. Oh, this is beautiful. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. And most importantly, watch the video all the way to the end. This is so important on YouTube to have your watch time by people watching the video all the time. It is very, it's a good thing when you have a community that watches your videos. The ladies' information will be in my description box. Please go see what they have created. We always appreciate when you show up and watch our video and comment. I thank you very much for doing that for us. I think I'll stop here and I will see you in a tiny, weeny bit of time. Happy Valentine's Day to you! I am back with the look, the Valentine's eye makeup look with the group Beauty Over 40. I made a smoky eye look for Valentine's. You can do whatever you want. Create how you like it and have fun with makeup. I love makeup. I like to do different things. On my right cheek, which will be your left, I made a hat for you. Happy Valentine's Day to you. If you celebrate it, happy Valentine's Day. If you don't, that is okay too. You have a choice to make for you, and you make the best choice for you. Always remember that. But this is my look, and I use the Uma Beauty Black Magic Savage palette. I use these two shimmers and these two mattes and then the black. That's the smoky Valentine's Day look. Tell me what you think in the comments. I am loving how this turned out. It was simple, but you know, I like playing with makeup, so as I'm going, my mind is just creating things. So this is it. This is my bowl to package myself and enjoy my Valentine's Day. That's for you too. I use a Juvia's Place setting spray. I use black opal powders, one as my bronzer and one as my finishing powder. I use Mented for my blush, Juvia's Place as my lip, black opal, cream to powder foundation. For contour, I use the Uma stick and I went over it with LYS bronzer. I use Plain in Makeup by Yolando as my eye base. That is everything I used. Please go check out the ladies that are in this collab. Their channel links are in the description of my video. We appreciate you very much when you show up and support us and comment and let us know that you did. I appreciate you. Keep enjoying life. Valentine's Day, if you celebrate it, happy Valentine's Day. If you don't, that is okay. I will see you in the next Valentine's Day makeup. Look, there is another one coming up. So keep watching and sharing. Bye.